This video is about you need to make a scene, a story. For that, in the first scene, you need to have your story title. Since I am going to show a movement in here, so I am going to write only my story title here. Remember, it should be within the inverted comma. It can be a day out with family or any story you want. You just have to write. After you finish writing, you also need to write that who's the story, who has written the story, like whose story. If it's yours, then you need to write here, double click and write by after name, like my name. I'm going to write my name. Okay, you need to write your full name and keep it like this. So this is your first. Remember, my text came here. My text has come here and it is wrong, because if I play it from here, my story title will come from here and then my author is coming here, so I need to pull it till here. Okay, this text will come till from 1. In the beginning there will be nothing. Slowly the text comes and then comes by whom. Okay, after that, if you want to show some movement here, you can show. For example, if I bring a car, so I need to go here and search car. Okay, and see here, cars will come. Okay, so I can take this car, I'm putting it here. Now this car, you need to make it big and small, so I'm making it a bit big. Okay, and if you want to rotate the car from this side to that side, you can make it by clicking on this flip horizontal. Now I want the movement from the right side to left side, so I'm putting here the same process which I showed in the second video. Put it here. This is my car. I'll take it to the last and pull the white part so that I can give animation, and click on this and move from right, so it will move from right. Okay, done. Now if I play the scene, it will be like it's moving from an day out with family. Clear? I hope this is clear, this part. So everyone's first scene should be like that. So I'm keeping it till 7. Let me keep it till 7 and then again play. You need to play this so that it can, I am minimizing it till here and then play from the first beginning. So a family day out with family by the name of the person. Okay, now so this is my first scene. So everyone should have like that. Everyone should have this type of first scene. This is the title of your scene, so this is very important to have. And something object moving. So this much for this video. Remember, the play buttons have different options. Now to go to the second scene, you need to click on this plus and you come to the second scene. Now here you can make more different scenes, like what will happen after this. You can show that everyone is going out like that. So you need to search on the animation preset and you need to search what is your next step, that you're going out in a beach. So I brought here a new scenery. You can see here the cool and calm scenery. So we are in the beach. Now here you can put characters and you can start your animation. So here are characters. You can put characters here, make it big so that you can make your scenery. Remember to pull it from where do you want your character to be. Okay, so I hope you will be able to make your story at least 5 to 6 scenes. Thank you. If you have any question, please write in the comment box. I will solve it. Thank you.